So once you download VMware Horizon Client, just double click on it. You have to go to VMware Horizon Client and click OK. We have to go to System and Preference, go to Security and Privacy, and then you have to allow this app open anyway, then open, and then put your server details at the top. As you can see, it could be your office server. Put your username and put your password here and click login. Enable touch ID. Yep. Okay, and click login. There we go. So running VMware Horizon Client on M1 chip. As you can see, I'm logged into my HomesClan server, and this is the Windows 10 machine. Yeah, which is great. At HomesClan, we do have lots of apps available. You can access all these apps from the convenience of your home and using VMware Horizon Client. So these are the apps you can access. There is lots of apps, as you can see. Okay, and also I have access to WebEx meeting, my applications. Let's see what's in that. These are the applications I have installed. So I do have project, Microsoft Project 2016. I think it should work. Yeah, it is working. So you can work all those softwares you have installed in your office or educational site, and you can access it through VMware Horizon Client. You can also make it full screen if you want to. There we go, that's full screen. And you can, so with 3-finger swipe right, I went to my macOS, and then 3 fingers swipe left takes you to the VMware Horizon Client. So that is great. It's up and running. I can confirm it's working. Give it a go. Let me know in the comment down below if it's working for you or not. Thanks for watching.